Hello, welcome back to Code Tuts. Today I will be teaching a lesson on CSS pseudo-classes. It defines the user's actions on an element. For example, you can style an element when it has not been clicked, it has been clicked, it's being clicked, it's being hovered, or it gets focused. Pseudo-classes also gives you the option to choose and style an element or an element within another. Okay, so here I have this div with a link saying click me. What I'm going to do is add pseudo classes that'll add style to when the user hovers over it, clicks on it, or has already visited it. Okay, so here I gave this gray div a class of clickable, and I gave this link another class of clicking. You must always get into the habit of giving your divs a class, because in case if you write a lot of CSS, the browser will know exactly which div to target. So clicking, must always add the class first. Link. Link is a style that's unvisited, meaning the user hasn't done nothing to it. Okay, since the default color is blue for the unvisited link, I will like to change the color to black. I should write a comment there too. Oh, to write CSS comments, it's slash star star slash unvisited link. I want to get rid of the underline too. Okay, that's link. Now the hover state. Let's go to purple. See, when the user hovers over it, it turns purple. Clicking active. That means the user is currently clicking on that link. Let's go to red. Okay, I was supposed to see the red color. Let's try doing it to the div. Okay, there we go. See, as you click on it, it turns red. So we can tell it only works on a div, not the link. Link hover active. Visited. Just go with green. Okay, now it turns black again. I hovered over it, turns purple. Active, this turns red. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to turn green. Okay, I'll try this on the div. Oh, if a clickable visited is supposed to be on the link. Clicking. Okay, now let's try it. There we go. Now let's give it a different address. Alright. Okay, and then it turns green since I already visited that link. What I would also like to go over is how to create a hoverable div that shows a tooltip. A tooltip is a dialog that describes an element or a link that you're about to click on. I will say hover over me to see my tooltip. Here's my tooltip. Okay. This is what I have so far. This is a P. This is a small paragraph within a div. That's what you have to do first. But I'll give it a class since I now have more than one div. I'll call it hoverable. First thing I'm going to do with the paragraph is to hide display. None. Don't want that to show. Okay. Also want to give it a background color since it's going to look like a tooltip. Give it a color of this light gray. So what I've done so far is access the div class of hoverable in its hover state. And what I'm saying is when the user hovers over this div, for the P element, show this P element, display black, the P element when it's hovered. And this is the P tag by default. Also what I'm going to do is give it a padding. I like to style. And let's give it a width of here it is. So this is how you create a tooltip using pseudo-classes. Another thing that I would like to go over is how to select the children within an element using pseudo-classes. So far I have 2 lines of text with bold words. That's what the B means, bold. And also if I were to put I, it means italics. Or EM also mean italics. Okay, that also mean italics. Strong. Strong also means bold. Okay, I'm just going to stick with the B since that's shorter than strong, more shorthanded than strong. So these are my two lines of text. What I would like to do is change this color to blue by writing P, first child, color blue. Okay, here we go. P, first child. I would also like to show you second child, nth child, and last child. P, nth child, meaning you could pick a child that's not the first one. Let's say 2. Second line of text. Okay, so nth child, meaning you put any number you want. Okay, you can also put P, last child. And that's last child. Literally picks the last child. Okay. Now, if I want to select the bold words within these texts, let's say I want to pick the first bold words onto each line, then I would write something like P to access all P tags, and then within the P tags, I'll select the B, but the first child of the B tags, which are bold. Oh, forgot to comment this out. Okay, there you go. Could also do something like this. So P colon n child 3, B colon first child. N child 3 meaning I pick the third line of the P element, and the first child meaning within this third P element, I chose the first child of B. So these pseudo classes let you access whichever piece of element that you would like to change. And I would also like to introduce you to of type. First of type. So first of type means first child, second child, and so on. I could also put nth of type 2, nth of type. The last thing I would like to go over are quotations. These important words are wrapped up in quotes, Q tags, quotes. Now, if you would like a different language to be wrapped up in different styles of quotes, you put Q lang, which stands for language. Let's say Spanish, I put SP. quotes. Let's go with those quotes, why not? I believe Spanish is importante. Lang SP. You gotta make sure you put the attribute lang value SP, just like the CSS. Save that. Okay, there's the styling. And I like to give this a style as well. Lang, I'll put EN for English. EN. I want to give it a tilde. So in the quotes, I put tildes. Okay, and that is all you do. That is how you design your quotes, depending on what language you would like to type in. And that is it for Pseudo-class. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type it in the comment section below, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.